Hello everyone, myself Reshma. I am reading EVS to nursery. Here is Netra from nursery. She is saying some fruits names. Hello Netra.
Hello madam.
Okay. What is this?
Apple, grapes, orange,
Very good.
strawberry, papaya, chiku,
Very good.
watermelon, banana,
Now she is saying some vegetable names. What is this?
cherry fingers, tomato, peanut, peach, brinjal, cucumber, cabbage, coriander, potato, mint, onion, capsicum.
Very good Netra. Thank you.
Thank you.